Hey guys, what's going on? Justin Fuller, Director of Digital Sales for TrueSpot. Have you ever wished that you could open up your phone, pull open an app, and see where every single key is on your dealership lot, right? I want to make sure stuff makes it back in the building at the end of the night. I don't want to leave and go home and go, all right, let's find out what the issue is tomorrow, right? Well, we've made some updates. Not only can you track keys and cars with us and anything else that you want to put a tag on, but if you go into the Find a Keys and Find a Car section, so I'm going to mirror mine on the screen, there's a map that now exists here, right? So I can click on this map. I can see, of course, every single vehicle that's on the lot right now, but then I can also come down here and look at every single key that's on the lot. So it becomes super helpful, right? If I'm looking at all these different keys and I go, okay, well, I've got some keys back here in the service lot right now. These are retail keys. Why do I have two sets of them, right? Now you can look at every single set of keys at the end of a night. Now, if you're going, okay, well, now I see that there's two back there. Which two are they? No problem. All we got to do is go on the dashboard and we want to go to location of keys. So I'm going to scroll across here, location of keys, and then we want to go to service, right? So service lot, I saw that there were two, and they're the two that are currently living outside. So I could grab a couple sales guys, a lot porter, and go, hey man, grab both of these stock numbers. I need y'all to go get these keys. They're back behind service for some reason. I think they fell out of someone's pocket. Or hey, I can see they're out on the front lot. I think somebody maybe have left them in a cup holder in a car, right? Super cool feature that we just added to our phone app. Hopefully this helps you out.